Hi guys, hi subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Manchester and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. By the look of things, you guys will tell that we're about to make our hair. Yes guys, I'm about to do something with my hair. In today's video guys, we're going to be trying out this beautiful extension from bllhair. It's their 18 inches feather crochet human hair, and guys, this hair is so beautiful. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Guys, can you see the texture of this hair? This string situation is what makes it a feathered crochet, and it gives you an invisible crochet look. You can use this to make crochet hair and it's going to come out looking very seamless, no knots, nothing of sort. But today I'll be doing something different. I'll be making mini twists. So this is how it comes in one pack, and they sent me 4 packs, so I'll be using 4 packs for the whole of my hair. From the look of things, I think I might not finish it, but we will find out.
Voiceover Sue here. So guys, in one ring we have up to 21 strands, and this is what it looks like. I'll be using white tooth comb, medium size comb, rat tail comb, braiding gel, crochet pin, and some hair clips. I'm starting on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I'm just going to pre-part my section. If you want to see a detailed tutorial of how I part my hair, I'm going to leave a link to my previous video. I put my hair in 4 parts, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. For my first row, I divided it into 4 sections and braided down up to 1 inch because I'm going to be crocheting the hair. I'm using 2 strands per hair or 2 strands per section, and all you just need to do is insert the crochet pin through your hair, attach the hair to the loop, close the latch, pull it through. And now you have to be very careful, like when you pull through, just so that you don't snap the hair. Pull through carefully and braid. So I'm going to be braiding up to the point where the string part is no longer visible, and I'll be using my hair as the 3rd strand for my braid. I did my braids up to about 2 inches. At this point, I had to switch for a better position. Once I was satisfied with the length of the braid, I divided the hair into 2 sections and I just began to twist. Now for this hair, I did a boho mini twist style. So along the way, I pulled out little strands of hair to create the boho effect as I twisted. And guys, this came out looking really beautiful. I really liked it. The extension is perfect to create the boho style. For the ends of the hair, I just twisted and curled with a lighter gel. So while I was twisting, I was using a soft gel instead of the braiding gel. I used the braiding gel for my parts, and I used this soft gel, this particular one in this picture, for twisting. You can use mousse or you can use any other kind of gel you have, as long as it's lightweight. Now this is what it looks like after twisting for a while. I wasn't sure I liked it at this point. I was still checking it out. And then I decided that the best thing to do to make this hair easy for me was to pre-part and pre-section all of my hair. For sectioning, I'm doing the break part method. So there's going to be like a staggered situation. Each box is going to be on the next one, if that makes sense. This is what it looks like after I had parted 2 extra rows, and I went ahead to part my entire hair before going back to installing the hair. Now it's the same installation process, so I'm just going to let you guys watch the video and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Unlike the back section, guys, I use one strand of hair per section. So per twist, I use one strand of hair for the front, but for the back, I use 2 strands of hair per twist. Now I did this for 2 reasons. One, because I wanted a more flatter, more smaller look in the front. The back was looking chunky, and also I was running out of extension and I decided to play safe, which was a really good thing to do. Now we are done, guys. This is what the hair looks like straight out of braiding and twisting. Nothing is on it. So what I'm going to do now is spray it with water to activate the curls and apply mousse. Guys, this is what I did to my spray bottle. I put in hot water in it. I don't know what I was thinking and it just shrinked. But yeah, I'm ordering another one now because I need another one. So I'm going to spray the hair with water generously. You have to make sure that you spray the hair with water. That's how you'll be able to see the curls come out. Can you see how it looks like with just water? No other product, just water. Now I'm going to use this mousse. This mousse is from olive oil and I will apply it to the hair generously. So guys, in the process of generously applying mousse to the hair, I generously applied mousse to my mouth too. But anyways, guys, you have to apply as much product as possible. Now that the mousse and water has gone on the hair, you can see how the curls are popping, they are out, and this is just giving summer vibe. But yeah, I was now in love with the hair at this point. So for the ends, I decided to give it a little trim. I just took off some inches. I wanted it to have like a blonde cut. I felt like it would be very nicer with the hair and the twist. And that was it, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I style it in different ways. Guys, at the moment I put my hair in an updo, I was blown away. Like this hair, the extension, the curls, everything looks so good. And for the period of time I have been wearing this hair, I have been putting it in an updo because it's just so beautiful, and just doing like the curls, leaving the curls out. So it's such a beautiful hair, and using it to make mini twists was such a beautiful idea. Throughout my rehearsals, I have had people ask me, oh, your hair is so beautiful, what extension is this, how did you get it done, who made it for you? That's to tell you how good the extension and the hairstyle looks. I highly recommend you try it. It's such a beautiful hairstyle, and if you are doing it, please do it with bllhair so you get the same result, you get the same outcome. I'm going to leave links to the hair in the description box, links to bllhair's page. All of the links that you need, all the necessary links are going to be in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Now the final style I did was a messy bun, and this was the icing on the cake, guys. This is such a beautiful look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, will you be trying this hairstyle out? If you do, I would love to see it. Please do well to tag me wherever when you try this style. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Kisses. Mwah.